Hello dear friends, this is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how you can copy a link to your YouTube channel, or it can be not only your YouTube channel in YouTube. For this, you need to go to the YouTube application, then click on your profile. Now here you click on your channel, you have it open. And now in order to copy the link, click on the top three dots, click on the button Share, and here you click Copy Link. All you copied the link. Now after we copied the link, you can go to any application, click on Search and paste this link. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There's nothing complicated about it. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.